Hi, I'm Nick Smoot with IC News. If you don't know what this is, we've decided to start a news show. That's all about nerdy, crazy tech trends, things that are happening in the money markets because of it, things that are going to happen in your life, new jobs, new economy. Who knows what's coming out of this thing, but we're going to talk about the crazy things to keep you thinking about the crazy things. So, with that said, something I saw recently that I think you might want to know about, an AI, a robot, recently nailed the verdict on court cases, over 500 of them, 79% of the time. So University College London, I believe, put together this bot that analyzed all the text from all these different court cases. And keep in mind, this wasn't just like brand new judge who was newly elected. These were the best and the finest judges in all the land. And sure enough, this AI ripped through all the text of all the court cases and their human rights cases, and 79% of the time predicted the outcome. So what does that mean? A lot of things. Do I think that we're going to end up with like these robot judges that are sitting behind the desk at some point? No, I don't. Not in the near future. Maybe someday, which could be better, could be worse. But in the short term, this can change arbitration. It also makes us understand that the whole like junior job in the legal system probably is going to go the way of the dodo fairly quickly. And you're going to see us looking at the data and the text in different ways. So when you think about an AI, if there's a defined data set, right, and that defined data set in this scenario is the law, then we can take the law and we can apply this data set over here, which is the dialogue and the whole court case, and we can mash those together. And these computers that are way quicker than you and I can rip through all this text and come up with a solution or a conclusion. I think we're going to see these AI systems not only impact legal system, but also politics, which Lord knows it might have made better decisions than all of us. Who knows? It can predict the past by looking at it and then hopefully predict the future. I think these things will become assistants to us, and they already are assistants to us in a lot of ways, but I think we'll see it more and more integrated into places where they're helping lead decisions, which is scary in some ways. Like, can they be hacked? Can they be manipulated? But that's where it's really important to make sure that we have the right protections and kind of safeties around it. So something to think about. Next time you get a traffic ticket, you might be up against a robot. So enjoy that. Coming up next, we're going to be talking about the ability to insert memories into the brain, the ability to code out anxiety and depression, and what does that mean? There's a company out of Los Angeles that's now spending about $100 million on figuring out how to get depression and anxiety and different things out of the brain by coding it out. That's IC News.